We've got lots of data that we need to collect from our assets, and this data is all around sensors, it's around energy, it's around collecting values that will help us to improve our energy, our efficiency, collect data so that we can reduce variability when we're setting up machines, reduce downtime by our maintenance department being able to walk around with tablets to hold them up to our machines to get sensor values in real time, so that they can work in a constantly changing live environment, which will drive a massive and radical change here at Mettis and will help us generate the factory of the future.
Talking to Mettis, they've got a number of user cases, whether it be predictive maintenance, whether it be around the actual augmented reality, all Industry 4.0 applications. And we saw this as a perfect testbed to truly challenge some of the new technologies.
So I think Wi-Fi 6 is a fantastic opportunity for us to take Wi-Fi, which we've known in the home, in the residential environment, in the carpeted office, and now apply that to the industrial environment, the industrial wireless. The capabilities that we get with Wi-Fi 6 I think are excellent, and the opportunity of working with Mettis here is to showcase those Wi-Fi 6 capabilities in a proper industrial environment.
We've heard today how both the earlier generation machines, the most modern generation machines, every aircraft has got their parts on, is going to get a monitoring system that's going to be used using Wi-Fi 6 to be able to be trial tested to improve the wonderful manufacturing that they're performing for the industry.
All the effort on accelerating adoption of Wi-Fi 6, how Wi-Fi 6 can be adopted by the industry of manufacturing in different areas will be a very relevant element really to accelerate this new wave and new generation of Wi-Fi.